What's up mga ka-beauties? Welcome to today's video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leigh OnStyle. So for today's video, we're gonna testing out the different kind of eyebrow. So this is from iMethodBeauty. This is the product. This is a one-step eyebrow stamp for perfect brows. So it claims 24-hour wear. So of course, this is long-lasting and waterproof. So very good ang claim nito. So we'll see. So dahil Kilay is live, so tingnan natin kung maganda ang kiniklaim ng product na ito. Let's try this. So ayan, so as you notice, wala akong eyebrows. Ayan, so ganyan lang yung eyebrow ko. So actually, nagka-hair na siya because I'm using castor oil. So in a long period of time, I'm using kahit papano, nagkaka-hair siya. So ayan, so wala. Bare ang aking eyebrow for today. So, buksan natin ito. This was sent to me by iMethodBeauty. If you follow me, I already review one of their products before. It's an eyebrow pen that I tested. That one is nice. Kaya lang, it didn't last me. Parang, ang dali niya nag-dry. Ganon. So, yun lang sometimes ang downside ng mga brow pen. If you don't know how to take care of it, and if you don't really close it right away after you use it, it dries out quick. So, ayan. So, sana mabuksan ko to. Hindi na pa ako ikot kung mabubuksan. Okay. Tinanggal ko na yung kanyang packaging. So, these products, you can find it at Amazon. They have different products too. So, what I will do is I will put their description down below so you can check this out if you want to try this eyebrow stamp as well. So, in the package, it includes 2 spoolie for the brows. So you can brush your brows. Okay, and it has this pattern, brow pattern. This is magical eyebrow style makeup line for natural style. So ganito siya. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this side. So this will be the brow shape, and then you're gonna use the stump brow. So this pattern, the total is 20. So as you can see, parang straight lang siya. Ito naman. Oh, ito yung gusto ko. This one. Parang, bagay ba sa akin yun? Parang ito yung gusto ko. So, meron pang isang kind. So, ito naman, parang Korean style ang kanyang brow pag ganito yung ginamit nyo. Ayan. So, this is the number 19. May mga number siya. This is the number 4. Ayan. Iba din. Pang maliit. Sometimes kasi your brows define what the shape of your eyes. So, yung brows nyo is up to here. Ayan, kung saan nag-e-end yung inyong eyes. Ganyan. So, meron pa to parang straight lang. Tsaka kanito, sino magagamit ng ganyang shape. So, marami kayong shape na pagpipilian. Pwede kayong test it out. Ito rin parang curve lang siya. So, I'm not sure kung gagamitin nyo siya ng opposite side. So, I choose the number 7. This one. So, pag ginamit ko to, pabaliktarin ko lang sa kabila, ganon. It's kind of hard. Wala, and there's no instruction. Walang instruction. So, you figure out it by yourself. Ganon. Okay, teka lang. I-ano natin yung aking hair para maayos ang paglagay ng ating ayan, para kitang-kita yung ating eyebrow. So, tatanggalin ko siya. So, I choose the number 7. So, this one. Hindi ba masyadong malaki? Anyway, you can always clean it with concealer, no? So, check muna tayo kung maganda siya sa akin. Baka masyadong malaki. Masyadong curve. I just noticed this is all different shapes. So, I think you just have to use it on the other side. Pag ginamit nyo to, you're just gonna flip it and use it on the other side. So, pinagpipilian ko yung number 7 and 23 kasi parang pareho siya. Maiksi lang yung isa. Parang kasi masyadong mahaba yung tail nito. But ito naman, masyadong mataba naman yung pagdating dun sa tail. So, I think I'll just gonna use this one. Tatakot ako dito kasi waterproof daw. So, if it's last 24 hours. So, what I'm gonna do is I'll put it like this. So, let's see what this one look like. So, ito yung stamping niya. Oh. So, ganyan siya. So, meron siyang powder sa loob. Is it powder? Yeah, parang powdery siya. Ano. Yan. Ooh. We'll see. Nabubura naman siya. But, I don't know. It claims for 24-hour wear. So, all you have to do is to dig. Make sure it gets the powder over there. Okay. Let's try this. So, let's hold it like that and stamp it. So, I start on the tail, going to the inner part of our corner. So, make sure you stamp it para na-coat siya lahat. Stamp it nicely. Hindi naman pala bumabakat sa kanyang, ang tawag ba dito sa pinakaganito? Stencil pattern. Tama ba? Yan. So, lagyan pa natin. Gusto ko darker yung kanyang tail part. And then maybe we can just adjust the color afterwards. Okay. And the revelation. Let's see. What? Wow. Perfect. Okay, so medyo kailangan ko lang sigurong i-trim yung kanyang arc because medyo malapad. So, para safe tayo, let's wipe it. Kasi yan din yung gagamitin ko sa other side. Okay. So, stamp uli natin. Then, let's do it on the other side. Make sure lang na pantay nyo siya para hindi siya magkagalit. It's just scary when it's not gonna be aligned kasi alam mo na kailangan pantay siya. Let's do the outside part first again. Then going to the inner corner of our brows. Ayan. Make sure lang talaga na na-coat nyo siya. Because there's no way of going back. Kasi baka kumapal na. Hindi nyo na ma-exacto dun sa shape. So this is really cool process. It's easy, but you need to align your brows. Okay. Ayan. Alright. Oh, wow. Okay. So let's make a little adjustment. But so far, so good. It's very easy. No worries shaping your brows. I kind of liking it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a concealer. Ayan. Oh my God, this is really nice. I think I did my brows for a minute. Ganon kabilis. This is really good. So, sa mga ladies out there that you're struggling shaping your brows, this is a lot of choices. Like 20 shapes that you can style your brows. And it's very easy to use. It's not messy. Nakita nyo naman kung paano ko ginamit. And boom! Eyebrows done. Ayan. So, ang ganda nito. So, this is very affordable. It retails for $16.97 on Amazon. And they have always a coupon code. So, check it out. This is from iMethodBeauty. This is the Stamping Easy Stencil Kit for your perfect everyday brows. Ayan. So, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. At alam ko na ma-amaze ang mga ladies, especially ang mga mahilig sa kilay gaya ko because kilay is life. So, let's check this out, ladies. Ayan. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And kindly hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!